Hi guys, so I replaced the lock on our front door a couple of days ago now because it stopped working. It's a Lockwood brand one. That's the key for it. You can see bitting's not much to it. I replaced it because the key stopped working properly because it had to turn counterclockwise to open the door and it stopped. So I thought, well, since the key don't work and it's no longer in use, why don't we pick it? So for this one I'm going to try, first of all, bottom of the keyway. I'm going to use a medium one, medium / large, if that'll fit. Maybe down the bottom there. Zoom in a little. As you can see, it's from the key, it's a 5-hitter. So we've got high, high, and lows in the middle. So let's see if we can use a standard hook and see if we can pick it. So look for a binder. Not getting any love off this lock. Only thing it's doing is moving in the vise. I'm not getting any feedback. At all. No clicks, nothing. So let's try. It's not as fun as single pin picking, but let's try using the triple peg zip tool. See if we can't zip this lock open. There we go. Easy as that. But it's not what we're about. It's the fastest. Sometimes it is the fastest way, but let's try single pin picking. So we're going to try using this one here. Almost like a standard hook, but it's got smaller tip to it, and sometimes you get a bit higher reach on it, and you can feel the pins a little bit better. Again, this lock is just turning in the vise. It's as tight as I can get it. I'm gonna break this vise soon. Look at any, can't feel any binders, no feedback of tension, nothing. Right, try medium to heavy tension, try that way. There we go. Stuck on pin 5. But weird, there's no binding, there's no, see, that's open. No feedback at all or any feeling through the tension wrench or the pins. Pick, sorry. But let's move this stuff out of the way and gut this thing. Make some room. Get my pinning board. Alright, let's grab some tools. Should be more organised. Sorry about that, bloody banging and making noise. Claim this head cold. Right, so let's have a look. It's a different tailpiece. It's got a split in it. See, it's got a split in it there, so a bit different. Don't matter if I lock that back up. That's the tailbase there. Alright. Let's see if I can get the key to turn counterclockwise. There we go. Oh, clockwise, sorry. I meant to counterclockwise. I'll have to turn that like that, so I don't lose any pins down the gap. There we go. Look like all T-pins. It's kind of strange. Right, so let's have a look. Jeez, a bit stuck. Got standard. 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 Oop. I think these are all standards. Yep. Zoom in on this later. So let's have a look upstairs. Standard with a bit of a bit sticking up, but it's that way. Springs, we have standard spring, steel spring, another standard with one of those bits sticking up on it. It's got a standard brass. Yep, so these are all standards, little bit sticking up on them. Another steel spring there. Number 4, another standard, a steel spring. Go from the back. Five is a standard again. Oops, just shut the spring off somewhere. Where did he go? There he is. Another standard steel spring. Let's have a look here. So, no modifications to the Bible. You can see it is a bit rough in there, but it is an old lock. And there's the focus, come on. Focus for me, thank you. No mods to the core. There's something flaking on here though. It's plated. See there, some of it's lifting up. But anyways, going for a closer look at the pins. Wrong way. So as you can see, pin 1, all the bottom pins, get this to focus for me, are all narrowed at the top. Come on, focus. So that's the bottom the key sits on, but all the tops are all narrowed, which is kind of weird. And all the key pins, or the driver pins, sorry. Come on, focus. You can see that. There we go. Focus, come on. That's it. See that little bit of metal sticking up? That was sitting up towards the springs. So it must be where it's been made. A little bit left over. But all stock standard, except for those weird cut pins and the springs. They're all silver steel springs, except for number 2. Little brass one just there. But that's the Lockwood, the replaced from our front door. See, it's been around for a while, beat up. But cheers, guys.